Hello and welcome to Thursday, November 19th. And today we're just doing the second day of section 5.3. This section's a long section, so we have 3 days on it. But today's lesson will be about factoring these crazy cube patterns. It's a pretty tricky lesson. So if you are at all able to attend the live session and ask questions and stuff, I think that's a good option. But if not, we have the video lesson. For those of you unable to attend, it's still right there. The only other thing I want to highlight, I guess, is there is a survey about how the Google Meet's been going. This is mostly for people that have been attending the live Google Meet sessions. I am curious to know how to improve and do my best during distance learning. So if you can take a moment, especially if you've been doing the live sessions, you can take a moment to do this survey. That's much appreciated. And then just a regular Schoology assignment right there. And just a reminder, there is no school tomorrow due to the Thanksgiving break. So today's our last day this week, and that's all I got for announcements. Have a great day. Bye.